In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate week-over-week growth in Power BI, step by step. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to derive more insights from their data by analyzing trends on a weekly basis. Let's get started by opening Power BI. If you haven't already installed it, you'll first need to download it from the official Microsoft site and set it up on your machine. Once you have Power BI open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, particularly the Home tab, where you'll spend a fair amount of time today. Begin by navigating to the Home tab and creating a new measure. Measures in Power BI are used to perform calculations on your data. They're incredibly useful for summarizing and analyzing data in your reports, so getting comfortable with them is a great skill to hone. In the Home tab, you'll find the option to create a new measure on the ribbon. Click on it, and a formula bar will appear at the top where you can enter your DAX code. Now let's enter the necessary DAX code. DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions, is the formula language used in Power BI for calculations. If you're new to DAX, don't worry. With practice, it's very manageable. The code we'll enter today will help us calculate the percentage growth between weeks. If you're following along with your own data, make sure your data model is set up correctly with a date field, as this is crucial for performing time-based analyses. As you type your DAX code, double-check for any syntax errors. DAX can be finicky with syntax, meaning even a missing quotation mark can cause code to malfunction. After entering the code, hit Enter. If everything's correct, you'll see your new measure appear in the Fields pane. Once your measure is created, it's time to see it in action. You can drag this new measure into a report view. Consider using a visualization that showcases trends over time, like a line graph, which is ideal for this type of data because it allows you to easily see fluctuations in week-over-week growth. As you set up your visualization, it's critical to ensure your date field is placed on the axis. This way, Power BI knows to break your measure down by week. Double-check your chart to ensure the data is displaying correctly. You should see a trend line representing your week-over-week growth. Take a moment to experiment with different visuals to see which best represents your data. If your graph doesn't look right, review your data to ensure that all dates are formatted correctly and the data model is set up properly. And there you have it. By using Power BI measures and DAX, you can easily calculate and visualize week-over-week growth, providing you and your team with insightful information at a glance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.